Flying more than 250 miles above Earth, the International Space Station is both a research lab and a stepping stone for future trips to the Moon and Mars. NASA is developing 3 Astrobee robots that will fly inside the space station alongside astronauts, opening research opportunities for guest scientists and saving astronaut time by doing routine tasks. The Astrobees will replace the spheres, the current robots and most used ISS payload. Fully autonomous, each 1-foot cube is packed with sensors that open up new areas of research. The Astrobees provide a zero-G research facility for guest scientists, give ground controllers additional eyes on the spacecraft, monitor radiation and air quality that help keep astronauts safe, and can even find lost items. The built-in arm normally occupies the top bay, but can also be swapped for a guest scientist's own experimental hardware. Like a quadcopter, Astrobees fly in air, except there is no gravity on the ISS. As a result, they are not limited by lifting power. Larger payloads can attach in a tractor-trailer configuration, and multiple Astrobees can even work together. 2 centrifugal impellers drive air through 12 adjustable nozzles that work together, allowing the robot to instantly move in any direction and turn on any axis. The Astrobees will continue the Sphere's tradition of hosting the annual Zero Robotics competition, drawing together thousands of students from 18 countries who can watch their code fly on the space station. Launching in 2018, Astrobee is the next-generation robot meant to make life in space easier for astronauts and, at the same time, build a foundation for new scientific breakthroughs in autonomy and robotics.